Our sweet mama cow has been pacing around for the last 45 minutes and she finally came back up and she laid down. So I'm gonna go and do chores as normal and just keep an eye on her. We'll see if we actually have calves today. She's been really close for a couple of days now, to the point where I've been just kind of keeping myself at home, waiting, keeping a close eye on her. So I'm gonna go check on the eggs, make sure the greenhouse is opened up if necessary, and get the rest of the cows fed. So I figured I'd take you along with me and we'll see if we don't have another sweet babe today. So I checked on the eggs in both the incubator. This front one, I keep turning it down to 100.5 and it keeps turning itself back up, and I'm not sure what to do with that. Again, this one has never been super reliable or have had a good hatch rate success, so I don't hold a lot of faith in it. But that back one looks like it's doing pretty good. So, oh my goodness. Yep, we got some zinnias coming up. Kenzie's gonna be so excited. She loves zinnias. None of the sweet tomatoes yet, but so we got, oh, and some alyssium. So we got some alyssium, coxcomb, and some zinnias have all come up. Some of these seeds are fairly old, so I planted them extremely heavy because I knew that the germination rate wasn't going to be excellent. So I just planted them really, really heavy. Oh, it does look like the Mexican sour gherkins. Oh, so cute. I don't know if you can see them in there, Nose. So maybe this year I'll actually get to try them. She has isolated herself. We are just gonna go take a walk and sit somewhere quiet and just keep an eye on her. We're gonna walk out there and go see if we can just hang out with her. What's that about, huh? Hi. Oh, surprise. What are you doing? You're okay. What are you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? You gonna have a baby? Are you my sweet girl? Yeah? You my sweet girl? I think I left another one out here last week too. Let's go gather that up. just here to be with you. You my sweet girl. You're such a good mama. You're a good girl. Better in the sun, that's for sure. Sun is nice. He is only safe to pet through the fence. Don't get out in the field with him alone and then try and pet him because he will knock you over. You're drooling everywhere, sir. There's certain cows I will be more than affectionate with, and there's certain ones that have attitude that I just keep my distance. And they keep theirs, and the relationship works a lot better that way. Now, Mama Cow has always been one that I'm a lot more affectionate with. You're a good girl, Mama. I didn't mean to call everybody out here. You're cute. I gotta give you that. You're real cute. Sometimes just too affectionate. Yeah.
Oh.
I came out here to be with Mama Cow, and look at all of you. You're like, we're gonna hang out with you. You do. I expect it from my girl, but geez Louise, not from everybody else. What's that about? Okay, you guys go do cow things. Go do cow things. Hanging out with me is not cow things. Hanging out with me is not cow things. Okay, she's officially over there with the bull. He's keeping a pretty close eye on her, probably because I'm out here. It looks like I'm duped again. I keep thinking she's gonna have this calf and then joke's on me. Do our best to keep a close eye on her. Eventually she'll have calves. That's just the way it is. keep thinking I can anticipate it, and joke's on me. Or see you after a bit. Good job, Mama. Oh, good job. I waited all day yesterday for my cow to have a calf, and I hung out with her all day. I watched her all day. I even neglected to go get some groceries that I should have gotten yesterday because I was just sure by the way that she was acting that she was going to have a calf. And all day, absolutely nothing. And then I went out to grab something from the shop late last night, and I heard somebody mooing. And so I went out to go check, and I was able to welcome this very sweet surprise. So last night when I saw that she had had her calf, it was too dark to really do much of anything or see much of anything. I went out with just a flashlight. So we're gonna go out this morning. I saw that she was up and her calf was up, so join me in welcoming this new member to our farm. Good morning, all. It did get down a lot cooler than we thought it was going to get. It got down to about 19 degrees last night, which is cooler than I would have liked. We've had a lot of warm temperatures at night, even up into the 30s a few times. Are you guys all hanging out together? This was the calf we welcomed in just a couple of days ago. Hi. And then this is the first calf of the season. And now we get to welcome this next one. Hi, Mama. You such a good mama? Oh, look at that latch.